My name's Charles with 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning. What I'm going to talk about today is evaporator coils, evaporator leaks, or leaks in your system. Evaporator coils are basically the most important thing inside your system. It's the lungs, I guess you could call it, of a heating and air system. If it's not functioning properly or it's leaking or something of that nature, then your home, obviously you're going to notice it. It's not going to dehumidify like it's supposed to. A big question that a lot of people ask is, can an evaporator coil be repaired? Most of the time, no, they cannot. There are things that you can inject into a system, stop leak, things like that, that are supposed to help or help seal or band-aid a leak. At the end of the day, what we have found is 95% of the time that's not going to work. The only options that you really have is either replace that evaporator coil, or if the system's old enough, you're going to, obviously look into replacing that system. It also plays a role in efficiency. If your system is leaking, it's not operating and it's up, obviously it's efficiency. It costs you more money to run because it runs longer, it's not dehumidifying like it's supposed to, things of that nature. If you ever do have a system that's leaking, you want to have it leak tested, pinpoint that leak, and then obviously here are your options from there. Next time you have a leak, obviously have us out, take a look, and we'll get you taken care of.
Your comfort is just a call away.